Hey YouTubers, I just wanted to show you a video of my birds, and hopefully you won't have the same mistake as me. And yes, I know their water's dirty. Yeah, I was gonna go change it, but I just got home and decided to make a video real quick. And no, that's not a dirty cage. They just like to rip up their boxes. So yeah, that's all that stuff. And yeah, lovebirds are very loud, so if you want something quiet, you should get lovebirds. And yeah. They're just something that you want if you don't live in an apartment and you like fuzzy little bright colored stems. Although they're very bitey. Bite. And if I actually let this thing bite me, Tweety would draw blood. Same as Lollipop. Although Tweety's pretty sweet. This one's a little green one right here. Tweety. And she'd probably give me a kiss, just not in the cage. Because it's probably, yeah, it's like late February, and this is when their mating time starts. And I feel so bad for losing Lally. Tweety, have you been trying to rape Lally? Yeah, because she's still a baby, and she's still showing baby behavior because she keeps hiding inside of her food dish. Apparently they've been ripping feathers out of each other a little bit. But, yeah, lovebirds will fight, so you don't want a big group of lovebirds. I know this says in books that they won't hurt each other if they're in the same species. That is wrong. They will try and kill each other. I have trouble keeping these two right here from not killing each other. But they love each other too. They give each other lots and lots of kisses. Tweety, do you have a boo-boo on your nose? See the little dark spot on her nose? Yeah. That's a little boo-boo from Lally. Lollipop bit her nose. Poor little cutie. I'm not really sure what their sex is, but they're definitely the same sex. But I've had them try and breed before, and not a single egg. Not a single little egg! They're just a bunch of little gays! Gay birdies! Gay birdies! I guess that explains why this one's rainbow colors. And I guess you got a rainbow color too, huh, Tweety? Tweety! Aww, they love me. They're so sweet. Alright, so that's all I wanted to show you my birds. And, yeah, also, as you can see, I had to tie down their food bar place thingy. And they ate their other cup. And yes, they will poop on the side of the dish. Not the side of the dish, the side of the cage. So, when you go to change it, you might want to just have a thing twice a week, maybe probably once a month, so it's good. Just washing the whole entire cage down, in addition to cleaning their cage. Yet again, if you live in an apartment, not the good bird for you to have. I know they're sweet and cute, look at them giving each other kisses, they love each other, they're fuzzy. They just are not quiet birds. They will get into, like, death loud screaming matches. You're gonna make me a death? You're gonna make me death? Oh no! See how fast they can get into a fight? And if you don't like snakes, you probably want to turn away. Frog, what you doing, baby? Uh-oh, is there a messy room in the background? Oh my goodness, I need to take my trash out. What do I do, my little snake? Hello?